making sure this extra ash is out of here. Even you want it really clean, you can just brush this. Just want to show you how to make the fire. Okay, so the crumpled newspaper goes underneath the grate. You can put junk mail. And ball it up. Okay, and then kindling. A bunch of kindling. It's the next layer. Put the wood on top. Make sure it's open. Make sure the flue is open. It's closed. Open. Pull everything away. There's extra wood here, but I'm not going to put too much because it's a small fireplace. Pull everything away. This is going to be closed. And we're going to light a match. And we're just going to put it right underneath here, and it's going to go up. Checking it's open. Just want the smoke to go up. And just put it in a couple spots. And close this. And make sure the smoke's going up. And you can have your poker ready. This one, in case anything rolls toward you. And you're just going to keep it pushed back, but not on the wall there. And you'll hear crinkling because it's super dry. There it goes. And when it dies down, I can add more kindling. Or I can add one of these logs, but that's fine for right now. There, it took 4 minutes. Oops. There it goes. And it's good to have these tools too. Fire in 4 minutes.